Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix your Snapchat when it's not working. If you're unable to do any activity on Snapchat, then what you can do is, in order to fix this kind of error, I'm going to be showing you the method on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. Basically, when you're unable to use the Snapchat, the first thing might be your internet connection. If you have an unstable internet connection, or if you're not connected to your internet, then it might be one of the reasons why your Snapchat is not working. So make sure to check whether you have a stable internet connection or not, and after that you might be able to fix it, in case if you haven't updated your Snapchat for a while. So in order to update, you need to head towards the Play Store application, and then on the search box you need to type in Snapchat and check whether the app is updated or not. If you have update instead of open, which means that the update is available and you need to update the application. So once you have updated the application, try login into your account and then you might be able to fix it. If none of these works, then what you can do is you can simply long press on your Snapchat application and then click on the eye icon in the top right or click on app info. Once you click on app info, now you'll need to scroll down and you'll need to clear your data as well as your cache. So once you do that, you'll be logged out of your device and then you need to log in into your account. So on the same interface, instead of storage, you need to click on permission. If Snapchat is not working, then the other reason might be the necessary permission. If you have not enabled the permission, then it might be one of the reasons why your Snapchat is not working. So you need to make sure that these features are enabled, such as camera, files and media, location, microphone, and you might be able to use Snapchat. So having said all of these, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can check the down detector or the server for Snapchat on the website, and sometimes it might be from the server itself. And after that, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try uninstalling your application and then reinstall it, and that might be able to fix the issue. So those are the method on how you can fix a Snapchat not working issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.